First, we thank God for giving us life every day. Thank you for the gift of giving and receiving love, for the majestic beauty of nature, for the ability to make someone smile, for the people who have shown me kindness, for the support and encouragement of friends and family, for they have lifted my spirit and made me fly. Thank you for the talent I have been given, for my health and home, for the delightful pleasure of shared meal, for the glory of music and art, for the eyes and ears that receive it, for the gift that is life. Gratitude is the antidote to self-pity. Be thankful is recognizing our blessing.